The dry cell is a modification of the wet Leclanche cell in which the ammonium chloride solution is replaced with a jelly composed of starch, flour and ammonium chloride. A mixture of manganese dioxide and carbon surrounds the positive electrode carbon rod. This is placed inside a zinc can, which serves as the negative electrode. The space between the central core and the zinc can is filled with the ammonium chloride jelly. The jelly is prevented from drying up by sealing the top of the cell with pitch. A cardboard washer is used to prevent the carbon rod from coming in contact with the zinc can. The zinc can is surrounded by an insulating thick paper covering. The working of the cell is similar as that of the wet Leclanche cell. The EMF of this cell is about 1.5 volts. It is portable and used in torches and transistor sets, etc.